Was it Colonel Mustard in the study? I wonder. There were a lot of holes in that rag paper. Madam Peach looked suspicious in the hallway. What was she hiding in that bottle? Really suspicious. Why was Miss Meadows in the kitchen? Weird hour to be in the kitchen. Odd. Could be her.